Hi, this is week 2 of the JDBC project. This is my SQL practice 2A specifically. This one we wanted to write a query where we group by order number and we show the orders overall total from our database. And we had some changes in class as far as how we were making the connection with try statements, so we can see that I rewrote everything. I had this originally done before then. Rewrote everything with the try statements, and then I inserted the close statements. We didn't cover that part. I just went ahead and put, I don't know if it's needed when you do it this way, but I went ahead and added them anyway. So as far as output, we're going to have a header that has order number and order total, and then a footer that's just going to have a total and then the overall sum. So as far as the sum, you taught us this little trick in class on Thursday. So what we're doing is we're just getting the sum plus the order total, and that gets the overall number. My output prints out with print format. I decided to do that instead of the Guava because this is already integrated into Java. So we have the format for our order number with the brackets around it. And this is going to be our format for our actual number, which I'll go ahead and show you. So you can see we have very distinct columns. We have a column for the order numbers and distinct column for the dollar sign, the exception of the total because it's a large number, a very large number. And then the numbers are right justified in this case. So basically this format here will add a comma as needed, the correct punctuation for the money. Just putting a number in this slot right justifies it. The 0.2 will round it if it's a longer number, which this does round correctly. I double checked it via my SQL workbench, and it does check. And then that's pretty much it. I mean, it's we have, like I said, we have a distinct column for our dollar sign. Our money is right justified. It is very easy to read, very distinguishable, and yeah, that's it. So until next time, hoi ho.